Hello guys, very professional train spotter here today at Birmingham New Street on the West Coast main line, where we should see plenty of services from Avanti West Coast, cross country, London Northwestern Railway, Transport for Wales and West Midlands Railway. Here goes a West Midlands Railway class 323-216, leading the way a West Midlands Railway service to Litchfield, Trent Valley from Bromsgrove. As there's also a class 350 behind it. 350-404's just pulled in. 323-206 on the rear of this. Go away, Wasp. Go away, Wasp. Yeah, 323, 215 and 221 brought me in from Erdington. They were working a service from Four Oaks to Redditch. As I was getting myself set up, 170, 621 for cross country, departed with a service bound for Leicester, and 350, 241 and another 350 on the front of that, departed with London Northwestern Railway service bound for Northampton. So let's see what shall arrive and depart here at Birmingham New Street. Okay, we have a cross-country turbo star coming in, 17101, with a terminating service from some far and distant land. We also have a London Northwestern Railway class 350 departing, with a service from Wolverhampton to Walsall. 35254. Okay, so now catching me off guard is 352.19 with a service bound for Bromsgrove. No, did I say 323 or 170 then? 323.219 with a service bound for Bromsgrove. 323.207 is on the rear. Excellent. Okay, we got something else coming out of the tunnel now. It's another 350. 354.06. Where could he be from? He's going to Rugeley. According to the destination board, he's off to Rugeley, Trent Valley. I'm not too sure on that one. But I can tell you that 17101 came in from Nottingham. Yeah, that's 354.05, sorry. I'm pretty sure I called him 406, it's 405. Okay, so now coming out is going to be the 1403 cross-country service to Glasgow Central from Bristol Temple Meads, worked by Super Voyager and Voyager combination. 221119 leads him. 22136 is on the rear. As we also have departing the 1404 cross-country service to Reading from Manchester Piccadilly as it's starting to rain. Worked by two Voyagers, 220-030 and 017. Obviously 22136 was on the rear of the Glasgow service, was a 4-coach version of a Super Voyager. I believe the story about that is a fire in one of the carriages. And obviously that carriage obviously got taken off, so now you got 4-coach Super Voyagers. Yeah, it's raining. And it's actually pretty welcome as well. Okay, so now coming in is an Avanti West Coast Class 390 Pendolino, no idea where he's going. It's from London, 390-156. Nice turn there from the driver, thank you. I do love that. And we have a cross-country service coming as well, with a service bound for, does that say Plymouth? 22137, I can't see. Looks like it's just the one Voyager. I think this may be off to Edinburgh. But I will double check that.
Safety announcement. It is not permitted to cycle, skateboard, rollerblade, or use electric scooters within the station. Thank you.
Okay, so we have something else coming in now. Looks like a cross-country Voyager. 390-156 is working the 1415 Avanti West Coast service to Edinburgh. This is a service to Newcastle. 221137 was working the yeah, this is the 22131. 137 was working a service to Plymouth from Glasgow Central. And over there is 39157 departing with the 1410 Avanti West Coast service to London Euston from Blackpool North. Chadvara. I don't think I'll be checking real-time trains as much here because A, you don't really get a chance before a train turns up, and B, it's just too complicated. Birmingham New Street just too, yeah. You know what, for B, just go back and listen to A. Okay, so now about to come out the tunnel. He did just give a sharp tone to Network Rail, someone from Network Rail there. Yeah, now coming out the tunnel is going to be the 1415 West Midlands Railway service from Four Oaks to Redditch. 323201 is on the front. As also getting ready to depart behind me is the 1415 West Midlands Railway service from Redditch to Four Oaks. As also coming in is 15208 leading a Transport for Wales service. Thank you. A Transport for Wales service to Aberystwyth. 323217's on the rear of that. 15884T's on the rear of this. Departing there is the 1414 London Northwestern Railway service to London Euston. 35247 leads it. 323214 is on the front of the Four Oaks train. On the rear of the... I'm not going to see the rear of the London train. 350... No. You're going to have to work that out for yourselves. I don't even know what city he was advertising or anything, so yeah. 323211 is on the rear of this. As 39156 has also departed 1415 to Edinburgh. Right. I think everything's calmed down now, so... Right, 3233's just caught me off guard as he departs of a service bound for Birmingham International. As we also have a cross-country turbo star coming in with a terminating service from Leicester, going in on platform 7. Right, I'm not even going to try getting the time for him because it's literally impossible. Here is the turbo star. (17623) is working the cross-country service. There's also something coming in behind him. Probably another 350 or even a Voyager. What's this then? It's another 350. 35115 here for London Northwestern Railway. He's either from Northampton or London Euston. There's 35115, double date train. 35117 on the rear, second home train. As 17101 departs with a cross-country service bound for Nottingham. Smells lovely. That picked up on here. I bet you that picked up on here. Sorry for any bad language you just picked up there. No swearing. Okay, there's a 350 just pulled in over there. 35249. I actually thought it was departing, but he's gone in on platform 2, so I'm guessing he's going to be the 1427 service to Walsall. Okay, 176, I believe, was it 611? Yeah, he's now departing with the 1422 cross-country service at Stansted Airport. It's 176.23. Yes, I know, I'm getting all the looks out the window. People on train give me the looks, thinking, what the hell is he doing, holding a tablet as if it's a camera, pointing it at a train, you know. I don't know what that could possibly be other than train spotting, but, you know, I don't know. This could be a CCTV camera with legs and hands. I might as well carry on recording. There's something else coming in. 350 Pendolino. And no, he's not the Pride train. Right then. I've got my suspicions he's a terminating service from London Euston. 391.12. He might be a terminating service from London. Try and catch something on the door, but my eyes aren't that good. Yeah, I can't see anything. I believe that says Birmingham New Street or Blackpool North. There's a B. The second letter is either an I or an L. We also have a cross-country service coming in. He's going to be working a service from Nottingham to Cardiff Central. 170.112. Hang on a second, we've already seen him today. Oh no, yeah, I'm getting confused because, yeah, that's 112, that's 112. Okay, yeah, that makes sense. There's also a 323 as well that's just pulled in. I'll be working the 1425 service to Litchfield, Trent Valley from Bromsgrove. And breathe. And breathe. Thank you. Okay, the 1425 service to Litchfield is now departing, and it looks like we may have a bit of a surprise for you coming up. 323-218 is leading this. There's going to be a surprise in a few minutes. 353-70 is also coming in with a London Northwestern Railway service. I want to say he's terminating. 323-229 is on the rear of this. Yeah, it's just a 1350. Yeah, it's just 370. I don't know where he's going, don't know what he's doing. Actually, that might be a Wolverhampton train. That might be a Wolverhampton. No, that might be one from Warsaw or one going to Wolverhampton. That might be a terminating service from Warsaw, 353-70. Now departing is 350, I forget what it was, to Warsaw. 1427 to Warsaw. If you want a reminder, it's 350-249. He caught me off guard as well. We're trying to track this surprise that will be coming in on platform 7. I won't tell you what it is until he comes in. Okay, now coming in is a West Midlands Railway 323 service bound for Bromsgrove from Litchfield, Trent Valley. 323 210 leads him in, or is he the only one? It looks like it might just be the one actually. No, there's two of them. 210 on the front. As it looks like the 1430 cross-country service to Newcastle is also getting ready to depart. 323 222 is on the rear of the Bromsgrove train. Whenever you're ready. I've forgotten the number of the Newcastle train as well. And in case you guys have, I'm going to remind you. Sorry, 221131. There you go. Get your words out. For some reason, I'll never get bored. For some reason, I'll never get bored of the sound of a Voyager. For some reason, I just love the sounds of a Voyager. I don't know why. Probably because it's just a relaxing sound to hear. Constant sound. It's consistent sound. Doesn't change like all the others, you know. I mean, I like the 323 sounds just because that's weird. Because it's weird. But the Voyager sound, I just like Voyagers. I don't know why. Just got something for them. Okay, I believe this surprise I was talking about is now coming out the tunnel. Should be his time now. And yes, the 1436 Transport for Wales service that's currently sitting on platform 2 can get stuffed. 1436 service from Aberystwyth to Birmingham International. Yep, he can get stuffed. Just... Actually, no, he can't get stuffed because it's a goddamn 350. You're supposed to be a surprise. You're supposed to be something else. You're supposed to be a diesel train that is not a passenger train. You're not supposed to be 350, 368. You're supposed to be... Doesn't matter, mind. Okay, he's advertising Resorts World in Birmingham. Birmingham International. I don't even care where he's from. I could not give a damn where he's from. Yeah, there goes the 158. 158. There's also a Turbo Star coming up as well. Again, he's not the surprise. (158.841) is on the front of this, with 158.830 on the rear. This Turbo Star, I'm to believe, is from Peterborough. 171.10. I believe he's from Peterborough. But, you know, I've probably got it wrong. And you can hardly be surprised. Okay, this might be it now. The lights are promising. Yeah, the headlights are promising. This should be him. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Derby RTC, Network Rail to Derby via absolutely everywhere in the United Kingdom, probably in Europe as well. 323205 also coming in with service bound for Redditch from Forex, but I don't really care about him. 43299 is on the front of this, ex-LNER. There's 323208 on the rear of the Redditch train. 43290 is on the rear. And that is more than welcome. Yep, that's more than welcome. And 350 368 is feeling left out, so he's leaving with a service bound for Birmingham International. In case you're wondering, yes, that was your surprise. It was for the HSTs, well, the Network Rail HST. It's what I could have called a banana train had it not had former LNER on the front and rear. But you know what? I'm not complaining. I will take it. Okay, and to conclude everything, it's going to be a London Northwestern Railway Class 350. 372 for London Northwestern Railway. As he pulls into the station, I'm leaving everything there. Thanks for watching this video, guys. I do appreciate all the views. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Leave a comment if you dislike this more on how I can improve. He's advertising Liverpool Lime Street, 35260s on the rear. Again, another phenomenal stay here at Birmingham New Street. You can never get bored of this station. You're never stood waiting around for donkey's years for a train to turn up. I mean, I suppose that's the reason why it is the second busiest station in the United Kingdom. Yeah, just phenomenal. Obviously the HST the HST made it more than worth it coming here. Seeing him was just beautiful, and everything else as well, you know, endless flow of, you know, Avanti West Coast. Maybe I'd have liked a bit more Avanti West Coast, but I have to take what I get. Cross country, endless supply of them. The 350s were just never ending. Transport for Wales, I didn't expect to see too much of them. Usually you only get two or three here, so I'll take what I got from them. And obviously the 323s as well, more than welcome. The next station is going to be I don't know. If you follow me on Twitter, I will post an update on there. So yeah, do go over there, go over and follow me on Twitter as well. That's what I forgot to tell you to do in the start of this outro. So yeah, anyway, wherever I go next, I will speak to you all then. I might as well catch the 14:45 service to Four Oaks departing from Redditch, 2323s, and then I'll bid you all adieu when he's gone. I'll probably post a poll or something like that out on Twitter
from.
So he's can vote for my next station.
Now depart from alternative.
I don't know where I'm going.
Please do check the poles.
323243 is on the front of this. Thanks. Bit late, but thank you. We have got 323 323241 on the rear. Right, anyway, he's gone now. Everything's calmed down. I'll see you all later. Bye guys, take care.